Thinking about launching a website in 2026? Now is one of the best times to get started. Hostinger Summer Sale is live, with discounts of up to 80% off on web hosting plans. The premium plan starts at just $2.99 per month. It includes hosting for 3 websites, a free domain for 1 year, 20 gigabytes SSD storage, a free SSL certificate, CDN, AI-powered website tools, one-click WordPress installation, and 24/7 expert support. Need more flexibility? The unlimited plan costs only $3.79 per month and lets you host unlimited websites. You also get 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, daily backups, unlimited email accounts for the first year, AI email marketing, and more resources to grow your business. Running an agency or expecting high traffic? The Cloud Startup Plan starts at $7.99 per month and includes 100 gigabytes NVMe storage for CPU cores, for gigabytes RAM, on-demand backups, and powerful performance for demanding projects. Every hosting plan comes with free SSL, a 99.9% uptime guarantee, global data centers, an easy-to-use control panel, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. Whether you're starting a blog, building an online store, creating a portfolio, or launching your first business website, Hostinger provides the tools you need to get online quickly. Don't wait until the sale ends. Choose the plan that fits your goals, launch your website today, and start building your online presence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to create their next website.